Most people think a business becomes successful because of a great product, but the truth is much deeper. A real business model is the system that controls how money enters, moves, and grows inside a company. Two businesses can sell the exact same product, yet one struggles while the other builds massive wealth. The difference is the business model. Smart entrepreneurs focus on recurring income, high customer value, and systems that keep generating revenue even when they are not working every hour. If you truly understand how profitable business models work, you stop chasing random ideas and start building something designed to create long-term financial freedom and stability. One of the strongest business models today is recurring revenue. This is why subscription companies, memberships, software platforms, and service retainers continue growing fast. Instead of finding new customers every month, they earn money repeatedly from existing customers. A gym membership, Netflix subscription, or monthly marketing service all follow this strategy. Predictable income creates stability, better planning, and faster growth. Business owners who depend only on one-time sales often feel constant pressure because income keeps resetting every month. The goal is not only making money once, the goal is creating a system where customers continue paying because the value keeps solving important problems consistently over time. Another powerful business model is high-margin problem solving. Successful businesses usually solve expensive, painful, or urgent problems. People pay more when the solution saves time, reduces stress, increases profit, or improves life quality. That is why financial consulting, automation services, legal support, and premium education businesses can charge higher prices. Small business owners often fail because they focus only on selling cheap products instead of solving meaningful problems. If your business can help people make money, save time, or avoid major mistakes, customers will gladly pay premium prices. Real business growth happens when your value becomes more important than your price in the customer's mind. The final lesson is understanding scalability. Many people create businesses that completely depend on their daily effort. If they stop working, the income stops immediately. Real wealth is built when systems, teams, automation, and processes continue producing results consistently. This does not mean you need a huge company on day one. Start simple, but always think about how the business can grow without multiplying your stress every year. Build systems that save time, improve consistency, and create better customer experiences. The most successful entrepreneurs are not simply working harder than everyone else. They are building business models that continue creating income, opportunities, and long-term freedom for years.